If you want to install the Ruby, go to the www.rubylanguage.org and the downloads say download. You have to download and install the PC. There's some process there having some command prompts are come after that installation. That to give by 1 2 3 that to be configured. All the files going to be configured, so they have to the folder created C colon Ruby and depending upon the operating system is 64-bit 32-bit we can able to come. Suppose if you want to open the command prompt to check whether the Ruby is available or not. How to check it? We'll go for as the command prompt. Okay, type the command prompt. Type from as there is a Ruby ruby minus b. Will give that one. Suppose when you're running the Ruby, we have in the suppose which wherever you go to run the file. Suppose go to the cd dot dot coming back cd dot dot because available in that is a local directory. We have to go to the Ruby installed file where the Rubies are there. We have in that is the Ruby 32 minus x64s are there. You'll come here. We have to see the files. What are files are there? If you give the dir command, list out that one. Suppose you specifically want to see about the some new folders are created. I want able to access that one. Give by cd r. If you type by the Ruby, press tab P can able to come all the R file quantity list out to you. But you're going to select. Now give by dir. Here having a lot of files are there. Suppose I want to create by some other file here. Okay. In this one, we have to type from as the here when you know C colon this particular location I have programs are there program you open by the file okay notepad file create by the new file you give by that puts suppose I give by the some number 2 into 5 2 into 5 I file save as suppose I want to save the particular file location okay because I said no already the files available in that is in the Ruby 3264 having that is a folder called about Ruby one. Here type the file name called about as the sum. Suppose simple calculation called c.rb. If you give the RB select that is the save as file, all files need to be selected. Now you can save this in the location calc.rb. The files are going to saved. Now come to the command prompt. You can see by dir command the calc.rb is there. Suppose if you want run, you give by the Ruby, give by the calc.rb. If you give the calc.rb now inside that one having there is a 2 into 3 is there. 2 into 5 are there, give the output equal to 5. Suppose you want to add extra thing over there, you can able to do the modification here. Puts is there now, multiplications. Okay, I give by the double quotes, add the text also. Multiplication of some numbers. Okay, 2 into 5. If you are now you can save it. Now if you go for the Ruby and that one, you'll be able to come from as a multiplication of 2 into 5 are there. Suppose this is having that is a one setup from running that one. Another way also available to run by that is the same command. You can see now there is no which is having the predefined keyword which is not predefined keyword user defined keyword not possible to show here. If you want to see here, we have to go to Visual Studio. You can able to go. For here, we have in the inbuilt is there, IRB is there, interactive Ruby programs are there. In this one, if you are do the anything like same command, if you give by the puts, they give by the syntax will be given. What are the list out predefined keywords are they? Give double quotes. You can type addition. Okay, addition equal to suppose what are maybe type. Suppose having it is a 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7, then double quotes closed and press enter. It will give the result for that. It will give the result for that. Additions 2 plus 7 because you can see now I am giving my directly as a 2 plus 7 it gives the output equal to 2 plus 7 but previously what do you see here when I see here we will give the multiplication operator 2 star 5 can able to take but here not taken by as the 2 plus 7 so you will give by the statement like here give by the like then you give by enter by like okay it may be suppose 2 plus suppose you print the number is a 2 first I print number equal to suppose addition equal to 2 suppose you give by the some numbers are there suppose a equal to 5 then b equal to 4 now if you apply the same operation without give the statement okay, if you give the statement equal to a star b okay if you are try okay whether it will give the output or not it is not coming. So you'll give the statement, okay. It's not executable. Okay, give by the A star B mean give 4 5 are 20. Suppose if you want to add some text, now you give by the add comma. I missed comma, so it is not coming. Now you can able to see here add equal to comma. So if you give here now two variables are there, you give the comma and I have to close it. So the different I having that is a comma. After that string you have to give the comma to display the result for that. Now you can give by the plus also. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. So in this way to be execute by lot. Here, suppose I want to execute some other function, addition, subtraction, multiplication able to be apply. Mostly compromise the division. Suppose 10 divisible by 2. It is in the file. Suppose 10 modulus of 2 it written by 0 because remainder having that is 0 for that. Similarly, you can apply by the exponent variables are there. 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 you can write by like here the 5 equal to 32. Okay, is having the line. Can able to print by the lot of operator, arithmetic operator also available. So suppose here I mean that is A equal to A equal to 5, B equal to 5. Yeah, give the A equal to 5. Suppose check 5 means A equal to equal B. So type now the both are true mean give the answer equal to 2 now. Okay, now if you give here A less than or equal to B, that is also true. A greater than or equal to B also it is a true. Okay, because if you are not giving this equal symbol now, so it may be as the error because it's going to be false. This also previously A less than B, that is also going to be false. If you want to say A not equal to B, suppose having the A not equal to B. This is what is that? Not equal to B means both are having the same. Okay, if you are A not equal to B, correct? Yeah, A not equal to B, both are having that is a not equal. Suppose A not equal to B, it is a false. Now you see now the both are having the same. Both are same, it is not having that is a not equal. Okay, not equal to me, one going to be negative, another one is a positives are there. So like from as the right by the all the command type from as the and bitwise operators are there. You know now what is the bitwise operator? Is having that is a bitwise. The having the binary numbers are there. Suppose give by the A, you give by the cap A and A. It is not coming. A and single and with B. If you type now, okay, here A and B, the A value equal to 5, 5 plus 5. They can written by and you will see here A value and B value. Both are 5. A and B is wrong. The bitwise operator is not coming. Actually, and C by the AND gate OR gate. Okay, so that command as that AND gate OR gate we can use from as that is a AND gate. In AND gate, you have to apply command equal to we have to apply by AND only AND and we have to pass in the argument for symbol is the logical bitwise operator is the bitwise operator code. That is same you have to give the command equal to capital. If you give the command equal to capital letter now, it will give the output for that. So if you want to type the decimal numbers, mm, suppose 7, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. The result is given by 5. How now? Suppose if you want to apply 7 binary value, okay, we can write it as that. How to write that 7 binary value is 7 dot to string 2 underscore yes 2 underscore yes We have to give the base value equal to 2. 2 means that binary. So it will go and display the triple one. So similarly, you can able to identify that 5 also. If you type the 5, the binary value. If you want to multiply now, here having the 1, here having the result, just you want to perform with the AND. Both are 1 now, so it is a 1. This is both are two gate having 100, 1 is a 1. So 1 become as a 5. So that output become as the 7 and 5 equal to 5. Suppose we give the 5 and 5 now, the output become as a 101 by 101, that's also output equal to 1. Suppose we give the 4, if you give the 4 now, 5. So what is the 5 value? The 5 value 101, 4 having 100. So the output become as a 4 only. So you can check this value. This maybe is very useful for you how to convert. Suppose make by decimal number. This is already decimal number. We have already this is decimal numbers. Okay, I wanted to check this one. Okay. Here compromise the and gate mean you can apply here. If you want to apply by suppose if you want to see the result with the result also, suppose in the bracket write from as a 7 and 5 already result we know 7 and 5 result. If you want make the result into the dot to underscore yes within the bracket 2. If you type now that what is the answer is there, that answer going to display into this some value. So 101 come. Like you can try with anything. Suppose give by the 100 here 5. Okay, now 100. The 100 taken the binary number only. We'll take by the 105. Take by the 45.